Hi students, in this video we will learn about two important protocols used in the Internet of Things. Those are CoAP and MQTT. These two apps we will learn one by one. Okay? CoAP stands for Constrained Application Protocol. What for this one? It is a lightweight protocol which is designed for IoT devices with a limited memory and limited battery power, and also limited processing capability. It follows the client server communication model and it uses UDP. UDP full form is User Datagram Protocol. It is a transport layer protocol which enables fast communication between two devices, TWO2 devices. For example, a mobile application can request the room temperature from a smart thermostat. That is the specialty of this CoAP protocol. Have you understood? Now, I will explain second protocol, that is MQTT. It is MQTT stands for message, Q for queuing, T for telemetry, next T for transport. So MQTT stands for message, queuing, telemetry, transport. It follows the publish subscriber communication model. Publish, PUBLISH, subscribe communication model. In this model, there are three components. What are those? Number one, publisher. Number two, broker. Number three, subscriber. These three components we will get some explanation. Publisher will send the data to the subscriber via broker. Now, what is the function of publisher? It sends the data. What is the function of broker? Receives the data and distribute it to the subscriber. Subscriber means already paid, known person, not unknown person. So subscriber can be explained as follows. This it receives only the data it has subscribed to. That is the meaning. For example, a sensor publishes its data to the broker and only the subscribed devices will receive that information. That is the rule. That is the protocol. Rule and protocol. Next, we will we will gain some knowledge. MQTT is what protocol? TCP. TCP full form is Transmission Control Protocol. What for this? A transport layer protocol that provides reliable and error-free communication between devices. That is the specialty of TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Therefore, MQTT is widely used in a cloud-based IoT applications. Therefore, my dear students, you should remember the rules and regulations of these CoAP and MQTT protocols. In simple terms, I want to conclude like this. CoAP protocol is just like a short direct conversation between two people, TW2 people, whereas MQTT is meant for like a newspaper subscription service where only subscribers can receive the published information. That's all. That is the difference between CoAP protocol and MQTT protocol.